All right, you know what we haven't done in a while? We haven't shown you guys a bit of a Komatsu, the 20-ton shovel, rocking on a job site. Corey's back in today. It's Tuesday. It'll be a pretty cool job for you guys to see, get the shovel moving, get the guys all back on site. Before you start the video, make sure that you guys are subscribed, liked, and hit that thumbs up button. Oh, f***. You're gonna head out with Corey. Al, that's a lie. Al's going somewhere completely different. And there's Brad, so f*** him. Fucking... Beep, 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 beep.
Good morning, everyone. I got Kenny running the 257 right now, and we have the Komatsu 170 on site to do this septic. What we got here is our sub base. We dug down to that yesterday. Had the inspector come out, inspect it, pass it. So right now we're basically bringing in septic sand, put our septic sand up to grade, and then we'll start hauling in our Eljen sand. We'll put that on grade. We'll pick up the parts for our bed and we'll get that installed today, ready for inspection by tomorrow. That's my plan. All we gotta do is execute it. So it's fairly mild today, which is good, because we all know winter's coming. But it's not here yet, so let's get some work done. So Kenny's gonna jump in the shovel, start casting sand. I'm gonna jump in the 257 and start bringing him in sand. So let's do that. I got my plan laying in the grass. Let me tell ya, good health, hard fun. While Kenny's working, I wanna say a little something that's a little personal to me. November is National Diabetes Awareness Month. Probably to most of you that doesn't mean much, but to a lot of people out there, in one way or another, diabetes affects their lives. With myself, my daughter, who is 4 now, got diagnosed with type 1 diabetes the day after her 2nd birthday. So it's something that my family has been dealing with for the last 2+ years. Away from work yesterday because we're putting my daughter on the insulin pump. There's a whole procedure and course and training thing that you have to go through when you're going on an insulin pump. To anybody else that may be watching this that deals with type 1 diabetes or has a family member that deals with type 1 diabetes, I know what you're dealing with. It can be hard. It has its good days, its bad days, especially when it comes to your children. So let's help out by bringing awareness. Let's support the people that are struggling with this disease. And let's help our country find a cure, because I'd love to see my daughter get cured of it. So let's get back to work. Preventative maintenance.
Yeah, we gotta give her some grease.
Yeah, little preventative maintenance. Yeah, got the time. Even if you don't got the time, grease your equipment. Keep her out of the shop. Awesome. So this day's going good. Hour and a half in. Rock on. Let's. So Corey's got the toque and the hat, and like, oh, he's got the AirPods. I'm one of those guys now. They got the AirPods, but you forgot the ting tang. You can't
ting your own tang.
You can't forget the ting tang. No, don't forget the ting tang. We got some coffee for the lads there on site. Let's get back there and enjoy it. Joe Juice. Like everybody to meet Ken White. Yeah. Not the original, but the next one.
The next one.
Family. So he's driving truck for us now, helping us get some stuff done before the snow flies. So
yeah, they took me out of the seat.
Yeah, we kicked Kenny out. He said he wanted to be in a shovel, so we like to make guys happy, hey? So thanks to Kenny for coming in, helping us get out of a jam. We're gonna enjoy this coffee, then we'll get right back at it. Awesome, so that went off without a hitch. That was punny. Awesome, Taylor's gonna throw another load of Eljen sand on Ken here. That went well. One sec. Kenny, we'll get one more of this.
You want to know what the worst thing is?
What's the worst thing?
Whenever you're hot dogging it, trying to show off to your YouTube fans, and you dump a whole brand new Timmy's coffee. Fucking thing, just hot dog right on the ground.
At least it wasn't a Starbucks coffee.
Yeah, well, yeah, true.
So,
Yeah, well, Timmy's, guys, please subscribe.
yeah, awesome. So,
How's the day going?
there's Superstar. Good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
busy?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull one more load of that in, and then I'm gonna go pick up our tip.
You guys like Cory's new AirPods?
Yeah, and the toque under the hat. Let me know how fashionable that is, guys. I don't know if
We're all about the high fashion here.
it's like socks and sandals.
high fashion.
Yeah.
I haven't worn the new merch yet.
Oh.
No, not yet. I gotta get you guys some.
Maybe if they want to see it, they gotta click the link.
Click down below.
Click the link.
And go to it.
Yeah. Click the link.
Okay,
It's,
you keep bringing these guys along with you all day?
all day. We're
Yeah?
gonna go to the septic store right now.
Going to Nancy's?
Going to Nancy's.
All right, let's keep going, boy.
All right, guys, everyone, you know when days are just going too smooth and you know something's bound to happen? Well, look what happened. I'm driving and it broke. It broke right there, sheared right off of right here. So now my ramp's down. I gotta figure out something to make it work, because I can't be driving around like that now, can I? So let's do that. Let's see if that holds up. So that's what I had. That's what I got. I think when I get back to the yard later, we'll just take those ramps right off, because they're not hugely necessary. So, see how it works. All right, so we made it. Ramp still up. Let's load some stuff. I got this tractor in my way, so I can't back my trailer right in there, which is unfortunate, but make whatever work. Let's do that. 2 runs of 10, 20 units. So Nancy, before she left, she's got all of our cloth cut, our sample trays and our hoops already, so I need this stuff. I'm gonna do it one-handed. I can bring you guys this. 20. All right, we got all that stuff. Now we go over to the other place and get our pipe. Made it to the septic store, and what we got is a list of what I need. 20 Eljen, got it. 20 hoops, got it. 3 sample trays, got it. We're gonna lay some units. Kenny, are you a shovel operator?
Yeah.
Yeah?
See? Shovel.
Did they take the hydraulics away from you?
Yeah.
All right. So second line's in. All I gotta do, hook up the 2 footer pieces and install a D-box, hook it up to the tank. Let me know in the comments, who do you think will make your lawn flatter? Alan or Corey? I got money in it for you if you say Corey. 3.5 meters. Pipe's 3 meters. Plus you gain a little bit of angle of the knife. On this.
No.
It's going over there.
Man. Come on. There's no problem moving. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Alan.
Okay. Okay.
Do you want to gently push this?
I seen pipe bend around the corner.
Give that a push in and a small twist as you push. Yeah, buddy.
This thing on?
Taylor, edit all that out. All right, redo. Hey, how's it going? So we got 2 lines, 10 units each. D-box there. D-box is in. All my sample tubular things are in. Level on, perfectly level D-box. Outlet pipe coming from the tank into the D-box. Everything's gravity fed on this one. So this one's ready for inspection and he should be coming. I got 3 loads of septic sand down yonder for the backfill that we could use to finish the day off as soon as we get inspection. So this one was awesome. What do you think, Al?
Let's get the lights out.
Yeah? Is it getting a little dark? Let me know in the comments who starts work in the dark and ends work in the dark this time of year, because you know we're all getting up. It's pitch black and by the time we get home it's pitch black. So we enjoy the daylight hours while we're working. It's 5:04. Got past inspection on the bed, which is awesome. Not unexpected though, because we do good work. Thanks for staying with us. We'll catch you on the next one. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watched the entire video to the very end, which is now. And if you are one of the true patriots, comment down below in the dark. Because today, we came to work in the dark, we're going home in the dark. It's that time of year, we don't have very much sunlight. So comment down below in the dark. Thanks for staying with us, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.